Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, so guys, welcome to our next lesson where we will be discussing our immediately invoke function expression. Okay, now with this function we have just a short saying towards this identical function. This function, it runs as soon as it is defined. All right, it runs as soon as it is defined. Okay, I don't want you to be confused about it. All right, for this immediately invoke function, as soon as you define the function, trust me, the function start to run. The function start to run as soon as you define it, start to run. Okay, so we can use such a function most at the time where we want to have something that is triggered each time our user open a page. All right, or so when the user land on a page, and then that function will be triggered. So immediately as the function is defined, it will be triggered. So each time a user just check the page, the function will be triggered and the function will call. All right, now the function will run and the person will see the result of that identical function. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here is to get into it practically. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we'll call this parenthesis first. In this parenthesis, we're going to say function. Now after saying function, we give it another parenthesis. Now outside this parenthesis, we're going to give it a bracket. All right, we're going to give it the curly bracket, the curly braces. Now with the curly braces here, we can console to log the function. Now the function is already running. Let me be 100% straight with you. The function is already running, but we need to post something into it that will make us understand that the function is running. All right, now for the other function, then we have to come outside and call it. All right, but for this function, you don't need to call it. All right, you don't need to call it. I will say console.log. Sorry, console.log, and then in this area I'm going to say the IIFE is running. Okay, so now I'm going to say the immediately invoke function expression is running. Okay, now as soon as I come here, before closing this, I create this double bracket and close it. Our function is completed. Now our function is completed, it is running 100%. now let me open it into the browser so that we can see. All right, so that we can see what I'm talking about. If I open this and inspect it, come to the console log, you see it, IIFE is running. Okay, now our immediately invoke function expression is already running. So if you want to create a function that will trigger each time or user land on the page, all right, that the function will start to run, you can use such a function. It's very helpful in that manner. All right, now the next function I want to work on, our constructor function. All right, constructor function. All right, so guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and give the video a like if you find this our JavaScript series helpful. Okay, please guys, keep on following and give her a like and hit that subscription button, please.
Subscribe to my channel.